Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun JuJuBe Tokidoki bag review. And today I have the Be Packed here. This is one of my favorite bags to get in Toki prints because these are just so much fun for the kids to take to school. These bags work great for pre-K, elementary school. They also work amazing as diaper bags and bags to take to like after school events and things like that. So I love this bag and I love this print. How cute is this? This is the brand new JuJuBe Tokidoki SPOOKTACULAR Kawaii. It is so much fun. It has all of your favorite characters, but they're all dressed up in their costumes. So you have like Frankenstein, you've got Donatella as a witch. She is riding a candy cane and it is absolutely adorable. I am obsessed with my print placement on this bag. I've got Donatella here, she's here, she's here. You guys know I'm a huge Donatella fan. So when I saw this and I pulled it out of the box, and I should have done an unboxing, I don't know why I didn't. I was just so excited to review this bag for you guys because everything that I got from this release, I had like perfect Donatella print placement. So you will see that in just a minute, but this bag is just absolutely adorable. So today I'm just gonna start with going over some of the features of the Be Packed because it has some really great ones. And then we will jump into the inside of the bag for the packing portion. So let's get going. You have two bottle pockets and they are elastic, one on each side of the bag. These are not insulated. They are kind of lined in a laminated material. So if you have a cup in here like I do, if it happens to drip, then it is like a waterproof lining down inside there, which is great. In the front here, you have one front pocket. I wouldn't necessarily call this a mommy pocket because this bag can be used in so many different ways, but you do have one front zippered pocket here. On the front here, you have two zipper pulls that go about halfway down the sides of the bag right here for easy access. On the top here, you have a padded grab handle. I love this. This is how I get the bag in and out of my car. On the very back of the bag, you have two padded straps that have mesh on the back side here, so it helps with a little bit more breathability. There is the back of the bag. As you guys can see, it is black mesh, once again helping with a little bit more breathability. These are very adjustable straps, so if you're short like me, you can cinch it up as tight as you need to go, or if you have a child that wants to wear this bag, you can get this pretty tight on their back. And that is basically the outside of the bag, but I did want to show you guys the absolutely adorable hardware that JuJuBe put on this particular bag. So here we go. First of all, I love the black plate. It is so classy looking. Black enamel plate, look at that, I love that. But my favorite thing is actually this little guy. And I know he's Tokidoki, but he totally reminds me of the Spirited Away little spider bugs. If you haven't seen Spirited Away, I highly recommend that you guys watch it. It is so cute. And Hayao Miyazaki is like my absolute favorite animator of all time. So check out all his movies. But anyways, these little guys are so cute. They totally remind me of that. So let's go ahead and start unpacking this bag. On this side here, I have my Starbucks cup. This has been amazing. It doesn't keep things cold, but I literally only put water in here and it is dishwasher safe, which is super important to me. So you guys also can tell it's in my favorite color and I had to have it when I saw it. So on the other side here, I have my sunglasses in this little case here. Perfect, love it. This pocket is just the right size for cups and things like sunglasses. So let's go through that front pocket. Oh, I did want to mention too, because I forgot, this is a little bit more of a hidden pocket up here, but you do have a tech pocket up here. That's why I forgot to mention it, because it's black on black. It's hidden. So let's go ahead and go through the front pocket. In here, I don't really have much, to be honest, but because I'm a minimalist, this is really all I needed to keep in there. So I have my small set piece here. I have a little bit of Donatella here, but this is my print placement on the front. And the back, you've got Adios and his girlfriend, and it's just so cute. So in here, they didn't even need to dress up for Halloween. Like that's them at all times. But in here, I have some lippies. I also have a hand sanitizer. But I have an Anastasia of Beverly Hills, love that one, an EOS chapstick, and then I have my Chanel, which is like my top favorite ever. That's all that I had in that very front pocket, but I do want to show you guys what it looks like down in there. So as you can see, you have two elastic mesh pockets there, one on each side. They are separated by a seam here, so you could put smaller items in there. Like if I really wanted to, I could have just put my makeup in there on its own, but I really like having those types of things in its own pouch. So you have a little bit of extra space up here as well. So if you had something a little taller, you would just put it up and under there. So that is the front pocket. The last pocket to go through on the outside is this top one here. I have my iPhone 14 Pro down in here, but this pocket is big enough to fit a Pro Max as well. Zip that back up and let's jump on to the inside. So let's go ahead and open the bag up. As I mentioned, they go about halfway down the sides so you can open it up like this. How adorable is this lining, you guys? It is a really pretty color of purple, almost like, I would definitely say it's a grapey purple. And then it has all these unis and the heart and crossbones and the diamond and this little, look at this little guy, this little boo, he's so cute. So I just love the lining on this bag. But as you can see on the inside here, you have a front zippered pocket here. When I wear backpacks, I really don't like to have my wallet in the very front pouch here because somebody can easily just unzip it and grab it out without me noticing. So I love this pocket for my wallet in backpacks. So I have my Madewell wallet here. I absolutely love this wallet. If you guys want to see a review on it, let me know. It's fabulous. Highly recommend it. And I also wanted to mention, if you guys see anything in this video that you've got to have, I will be leaving shopping links down in the description below for you, and you guys can shop through those anytime. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. My link is always active, so please do shop through there if you see something you love. But that is all that I had in this very front pocket here. It's a pretty good sized pocket. Comes about all the way up my wrist, so that's a pretty roomy little pocket. It's great for flat things. My wallet's pretty flat, so it's a great pocket for that. This is how I have it packed up the rest of the way. I just have a large set piece and a medium set piece. So let's go ahead and go through my large set piece first. Although I do want to mention, the more and more I pull out of this bag, it may fall forward. So I see, I told you guys I had perfect print placement. How, I mean, like, that's like the best ever. I love that. And she is just so cute. So let's go ahead and go through this. Sorry, I'm gushing so much over my print placement, but I didn't get to do it in my unboxing video, so you guys get it here instead. I have an applesauce in here for me. This is just basically packed up for me for a trip out if I had to go sit at the Tesla shop for a while or something, you know. So I have a granola bar, and then I also have an apple juice. And I just had this kind of in here standing straight up and down like that, so I don't have to worry about this opening and leaking or anything. But honestly, even if it did, if you catch it early enough and you wash this bag, like, these bags wash up so beautifully. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go through this next. Yep, it's trying to fall. I'm gonna put it down. In my medium set piece, I have just a bunch of random stuff, honestly, but it's all like stuff I need. So yeah, it's just all thrown in here together. But I have this, which is really random, I know, but it is a little measuring tape, and I love it. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby, but I take this with me almost everywhere because my mom and I go shopping all the time, and when I find furniture and things like that that I've got to have, or I need fabric for something, I like to have a measuring tape on me so I can measure and make sure everything is going to work out properly the way I'm hoping. So I have that. I also have my pill case here. This has allergy medicine and Advil. I also have a hand cream. This one, believe it or not, I got it at Five Below, but it is the most magical smelling hand cream ever, and I have eczema and it has not bothered me once. So I think I'm gonna have to get some more of these EOS ones. They're super moisturizing too, but the smell is like intoxicating. I also have a folded hairbrush in here with a mirror. My inhaler, I told you guys this is a super random pouch. I also have an oil absorbing roller stick, and then I have a half empty pack of tissues. And that's all that I had in my random bag. Put some of this stuff back. All right, so basically the bag is nearly empty now. And when it is, I'll show you guys really well what it looks like empty. But in this very back pocket here, you have an elastic pocket. It is not padded, so technically you could fit a small laptop back here, but it is not padded. So just keep that in mind. But back here, you could also keep a change pad, though this bag does not come with one, because I think technically it's not really a diaper bag. It's more geared towards school or as an everyday bag, which is how I use it mostly. But I have my big old planner here. This is a Happy Planner, classic size planner. You may be wondering where all my pens are. Well, they're in this awesome pouch. Like, I gotta show you guys because I've been just so happy with it. And they still do sell these pouches too, but look at all of my pens. I've got my scissors in there as well. So I highly recommend it. I have been really happy with it. And I mean, it's still pretty flat. I take it with me everywhere, and the pens are just always where I need them to be. So I love it. Highly recommend it. All right, now that I've gone through that, let's go ahead and I want to show you guys the inside the best that I can because it's kind of a deep backpack. Ah! Try to show you guys. There we go. It's pretty roomy in there, right? So you have that front zippered pocket. You have the back elastic pocket. Then you also have this. It's not functional on the inside of the bag at all, so normally I just tuck it back here. What it is it's this pocket up here. So you guys can see. See? So if you have a phone or a camera that you want to stick back in here, you can just keep in mind it will take up space inside your bag and inside this pocket, or if you want to put the pocket in front. So that is my review of the Be Packed, you guys. I love this bag and I definitely recommend it, and I just absolutely love this print. Isn't it the most cute print? I know so many of us JuJuBe fans have been asking for a Halloween style print for the longest time from Tokidoki, and this is just so cute. Especially her. She's my favorite on this print for sure. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. You can still find the Be Set and the Be Packed on the website in this print, SPOOKTACULAR Kawaii. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. And if you guys see anything else you liked in this video, I will also link it down below for you. Thanks for watching.